Good morning, all of you. Today we are here to discuss with the two of our structures, that is present perfect tense and present perfect continuous tense. In the previous video, we have discussed all the structures of simple past and past continuous. Okay, now past perfect tense. It refers to an action which is completed at some point of time in the past. It refers to an action which is completed at some point of time in the past. Sometimes it is used to indicate two actions happening one after the other. Means sometimes it is used for an action happening one after the other. Just like the patient had died before doctor arrived. The patient had died before the doctor arrived. Here two actions took place. First one, the patient had died, and the second one, that is the doctor arrived. Means the first one has already been completed before the second took place. The first action has already been taken place before the second took place. So I am saying that the first one will take the past perfect tense, and the second sentence, the second part of the sentence will take simple past tense. Okay, means the patient had died before doctor arrived. The patient had died before doctor arrived. Means the patient had died, means he had already died before doctor arrived. This arrived word is simple past. Okay, now here are the four structures that is indicated in this, and I have also mentioned some of the special verbs which are used like already, by this year, by last month, indicates the perfect tense, the past perfect tense. Okay, what is the structure here? Subject had plus V3 plus complement. Subject plus had plus V3 plus complement. We can write here object also. No need to panic that complement is written and we don't know about complement. These are just like an objects. These are complement means something about that topic. Okay. Now in negative sentence, subject had not plus V3. Subject had not plus V3 plus complement. This is the negative form. Had, and after that what we will add? Not. Okay. Interrogative form. Had subject, had should be in the front, had subject verb plus complement. Okay, had subject verb plus complement. Just like I have taken an example, Hari had not pasted the picture properly. Hari had not pasted the picture properly. Hari subject, had not V3 pasted the picture properly. Complement. This is what? This is a negative type of negative sentence of past perfect tense. Okay. Now we will move on to the next tense, that is past perfect continuous tense. Past perfect continuous tense. Again, mind it clear. Past perfect continuous tense. This refers to an action started in the remote past, means very long ago in the past. Means this refers to an action started in the remote past and was continuing up to a certain point of time in the past, and it has already completed. It has continuing for some point of the time in the past. Now it has been completed, but the action that started in the remote past in a long time in the past continued for some time, and then it ended, then it completed, and then it has stopped. Okay, now structure. Affirmative, subject plus had plus been plus V4 verb plus ing form, and then complement. Okay, negative structure, subject plus had plus not been plus V4 plus complement. Interrogative structure, had should be in the first, had plus subject, had plus subject plus been plus V4 plus complement. Question mark. Complement and some verbs which are used and which are used to identify this tense I have given here some of the adverbs which are used to identify these tense, just like for 10 days, for many days, for many years, since last month, since and the for. These two words will repeatedly you will see in this type of tenses. Since and for you will also see in the present perfect continuous tense, and it will also come in the past perfect continuous tense. Okay, the government, here I am giving example. The government had been issuing notice against the unauthorized actions. We can write the unauthorized actions. What the government is doing? The government is issuing. The government is has been, had been. There is has been. If it is has been, then it is present perfect continuous tense. But here it is had been. The government had been issuing notice against the unauthorized action. Against the unauthorized action. This is an example of past perfect continuous tense. I think that you might have understood what is the difference between the past perfect continuous tense and past perfect tense, and you will note down these things and write it in your copy. Thank you.